Let's continue with this design to my of this. Now in this part only we're going to make this extrusion on this and this. So let's start. Let's start with this part, this bus. So we change the view, structural, wireframe, and in star, circle, let's draw a circle with measure 36.5. So let's select circle, and here 36.5. Now we draw another circle. The measure is 52. Sorry. 52 diameter. So again, press letter D, 52, and that's it. I'll select this, and we could this part on this. Select orbit to move to obtain a perpendicular view. Exit line, draw a line here, escape, another line, the same, here. Select this, we write region. Select this arc, this line, this arc, and this line. Press enter. So now select this, enter. Sorry, again this, escape again, select this, sorry, it's a little bit complicated because we have to select the correct region. So here 19.5. Now we draw this part, and this has a diameter 28.5. So select circle and select in the center 28.5. Now again is a diameter. Select, press the letter D, enter, select the center 28.5. Okay. Okay. It's it's 8.5. So let's check. Double click. Okay. Radio 28.5. It's wrong. The diameter is the has to the measure 28.5. Select this and delete. So circle. Press D and 28.5. It's okay. Now we have to extrude and it's 54 minus 50.5, 38.5. So select this, another circle, sorry. No, it's wrong. The correct diameter it's 52. Okay, so let's draw circle. Press the letter D. 22. Now select this and the correct measure is 38.5. Now until here it's okay, everything is okay, so good. Now we draw this rectangle with this measure 92 and the 32. So select circle and the large, sorry, is 32, 92. It's in the reverse, in the reverse direction. Select this, press enter, select this point until here. Now it's, let's check the measure. It's okay, 92. Okay, sorry. It's 92, but the measure is wrong because intersect with the base. Press escape, select, delete. If you can see the rectangle intersect with this part, so I don't know, but it's okay. Remember, this design is with didactic plant, so it's only to learn. So let's extrude. 4 millimeters. Now we have to draw this part. The diameter is letter D equal 48 and diameter 19. So let's draw 48, sorry, a diameter press letter D, 48, select again, circle, and 19. We stroke this part is 50.5 plus 4, so equal 19.5. So let's select this and 19.5 and select change the view, sorry, here, and realistic. Here is our design. This is I see a way to draw in AutoCAD. So let's continue.